Hello there. In this quick video, I'm going to give you a demo of how to use Dr.UGraft calculator. Here I have already selected number 1 and 2 and 6 on the area of the head that I want hair transplant. If I make a mistake, I can just click on that area one more time to deselect it, just like that. And once I'm happy with the selections, I can go to the next section and basically fill up these attributes for my head. I've already done so, so I'm gonna save you some time and go to the results section, which for my case is going to be around 4,400 graft counts, which is awesome to know. Okay, and now the part that I absolutely love about the graft calculator is this section where I can click on this, and then it will open up a list of all the patients of Dr. U's with almost the same amount of graft counts. That allows me to find a case that is very similar to my case and then see how it has worked out so I can make a better, more informative decision. So for example, I have found this patient that is very much like me, and the coolest part is this, that I can learn more about his case and actually see the before and after, and even watch a video of the entire procedure, and then also the testimonial of that person talking about the procedure and how happy he is. All right, now after I'm done with that, don't forget to click on free consultations. I've done it, and basically this form took me like 5 minutes, but the coolest part is that Dr. Hughes himself answered my questions and then basically helped me make a better, more informative decision about my procedure. So make sure to click on the view patient results, find a patient that is very similar to yours, and then also click on the consultation page here, fill up this form, and then I hope that you make the right decision and find out the best procedure for your hair transplant. All right, thank you for watching. Have a beautiful day.